Use a Joker Visa card on PS5. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to use a Joker Visa card on PS5. So let's get started. First, register your Joker card. For this, go to their website and provide your name, address, phone number and email for online verification. Then add the card to PS5 payment method. Or for this, on PS5, open your settings and click on User and Accounts. Then click on Account and tap on Payment and Subscription. Then add your payment methods. You can add a credit card or debit card. Enter your Joker card details. Enter the registered billing address. Then make purchases. Use the Joker card to buy games or add funds to your wallet. Some prepaid cards may not work for subscriptions like PlayStation Plus. You have an alternative method. You can buy a PlayStation gift card with your Joker card and redeem it on PS5 if direct payments fail. And that's all. That's how you will be able to complete this process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.